YouTube bought it out, unmasked it. I ain't shot the clip yet. I knew this run was gonna come when I was trying to paint the damn handle. That run. That run. That run. That run right there. In fact, I can see a lot of run right in this fender. But you know, we get it out. We get it out. Overall, I'm happy. That's some runs right there too. Fix the runs. A couple little dry spots I see. Other than that, man, he wet still. And what I did was I mixed in my base coat. I put 1/3 of some clear in it and shot it. Now I'm gonna fix all the little runs and then I'm gonna clear coat it. And I fixed back here. Could have fixed down here a little more, but I ain't really worried about it. Metallic silver. I'm gonna paint my bumpers the same way. Not the black parts, but I'm gonna repaint the black parts, but the silver to match the wheels. And I painted my grill too, but it ended up getting some overspray on it. Painted that silver also. And I'm gonna go grab another bumper, paint that silver. And I think I'm gonna paint these vent pillars that go back there. I think I'm paint them silver after I customize them and put some LEDs in them or something. But yeah, stay tuned for later on for today. Get these runs out first. Alright, YouTube.